Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu cake without egg. We will explore simple substitutions for traditional egg-based components, ensuring a delicious and safe dessert for everyone. You will learn to achieve that classic creamy texture and rich flavor, all while following a straightforward, step-by-step process. This guide provides all the necessary details for creating a perfect, delightful treat. For our eggless tiramisu, you will need 250 grams of mascarpone cheese and 250 milliliters of heavy cream. Strong brewed coffee or espresso is essential for soaking the ladyfingers, about 150 milliliters. Powdered sugar, approximately 50 grams, sweetens the cream, and a dash of vanilla extract enhances the flavor. Finally, cocoa powder provides a beautiful, bitter finish. To create the luscious, egg-free cream, begin by whipping 250 milliliters of very cold heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Then, gently fold in 250 grams of mascarpone cheese and 50 grams of powdered sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful aroma. Mix until the filling is smooth and perfectly combined, ensuring no lumps remain for that ideal, velvety texture. Now for assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into about 150 milliliters of cooled coffee, being careful not to oversaturate them. Arrange a layer of these soaked ladyfingers in your dish, then spread half of the creamy mascarpone mixture over them. Repeat with another layer of ladyfingers and the remaining cream. Dust generously with cocoa powder and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.